The dumbbell sumo squat primarily builds strong quads and powerful inner thighs while also hitting the glutes, improving hip mobility and core stability. Unlike the dumbbell sumo deadlift, which is a hip hinge with a forward lean, the sumo squat is knee dominant and keeps your torso more upright, shifting more load to the quads. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width, toes turned out at 30 degrees, and hold two dumbbells with the ends touching between your legs. Before lowering into the squat, brace your core, pull your shoulder blades down, and lift your chest to keep a tall, upright torso. Inhale and sit back slightly while bending the knees as you push the hips down and back while keeping the chest up. While keeping the dumbbells close to your body, under control, slowly lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor or as deep as you can while maintaining a flat back. Ensure your knees are tracking over your toes and not caving in. Drive through your heels, exhale, and stand tall while squeezing your glutes but stopping short of fully locking out your knees. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.